What is going on, my crypto fiends? Ryan Rotolo here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, and today we have a news episode talking about a couple very interesting things I don't see a lot of people talking about. I don't know if it's not that hot of news or I'm the first one to jump on it, but we're gonna find out today. Now, before we jump into that, thank you to everyone who has been supporting the channel, whether you're subscribed, leaving comments down below. You guys are absolutely awesome. And if you do find this video informative, don't be afraid to join into the community as well. With welcome opening arms, we accept everyone that is a cryptocurrency enthusiast. So to start things off, I just want to briefly go over my take on World CryptoCon. If you guys didn't know, I just got back last week from World CryptoCon in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I want to give you guys my take on it, how I thought the event was it worth the money, all that sort of stuff. So first off, I have to say thank you to all you supporting my content, because if it wasn't for you guys, I would have not had the opportunity to go out to that event. So thank you guys so much over the past years for supporting my content. You guys mean the absolute world to me. So I do have a couple pictures here. I don't have them all on here, but just a couple to give you guys an idea of the event. I am trying to put together a little bit of a montage video to give you a better perspective of the event, but I just want to quickly run down my take on the event. I know there's a lot of stuff going around on Twitter that it was a terrible event, it wasn't that fun, blah, 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 blah. My take on it, I thought it couldn't have gone better, especially for the first year of it going on. World CryptoCon, it's not your usual event. It's not your usual conference. You have all these conferences in like Malta, etc., where they're strictly focused on developing developers and discussions of cryptocurrencies in depth and the real nitty gritty, and you have a lot of big shots and smart people all around. And I get that. It's awesome for adoption, stuff like that, but World CryptoCon, in my opinion, was more of a beginner-friendly event. You got to go to Las Vegas. Who doesn't like Las Vegas? Have a good time. Go to a very friendly event where you have Lamborghinis all around. You have people having a good time, laughing, you know, just joking around. We had Halloween and Bitcoin's 10th birthday on Halloween, so everyone dressed up in costumes. We all went to an after party. It was such a great time. So World CryptoCon is definitely that sort of bougier event where it's definitely very fancy. It was at the Aria Resort. This was a picture of the front of the Aria Resort. Nicest resort in Las Vegas. Obviously, the tickets were very expensive. I believe general admission was like $500 and VIP was $2,500. So I definitely think they should decrease the price on tickets a little bit so they can get more attendees. But I definitely understand the level they were trying to achieve. This is another picture of the front. This is a picture, a little bit of a blurry picture of me and BitBoy on Halloween in the main lobby. They had everyone meet up in the main lobby, and they had a birthday cake for Bitcoin. I don't think I have a picture on my computer, but yeah, that was so fun. Just a great overall experience to be able to network and talk to all these people that you see online, but you never really think you'd get a chance to talk to. You could be anyone. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies and you come to this event, you could literally walk up to any influencer that you enjoy watching online and have a conversation with them, because they are normal people. And I thought that was a great experience. Right here's a picture of me in front of a Lamborghini Aventador. I'm a huge car enthusiast, so that was a big thing for me, that SEMA, which is the United States largest car event, was going on in Las Vegas the same days that World CryptoCon was. So you had all these beautiful cars lying around the Aria Resort. You had a Lamborghini Aventador and a McLaren 570S, I believe, and then a Rolls Royce. It was just awesome, guys. I know it seems a little cheesy, all these nice cars and stuff, but it was just such a great vibe and experience. This is me and my buddy Zach. This was our fit for Halloween. We kind of planned it last minute, where we were like rave enthusiasts. I don't know, kind of douchebaggy, I know, but that was us. This was the poker room. A lot of crypto influencers played poker for charity. You have Doug Polk here, Brock Pierce, a couple other big shots. So that was a really cool experience to see as well. It was such a great experience to be able to listen to people's take on cryptocurrencies right now, and to really realize that this is the time. If you are interested in cryptocurrencies, you need to be investing now. And of course, none of this is financial advice, but realistically, the prices are not going to get any lower than they are right now. It's only upside from here. So that's really my take from World CryptoCon. This is the video I posted a couple days ago about college, if you guys are interested in checking that out. But overall, such a great experience. I can't wait to attend next year, and that is my take on things. So the first news article today, Ripple's ambition is to make the cross-border transfers a better experience by providing decentralized financial tools and having a strong partnership. This partnership would strengthen them to overtake other strong competitors like Coinbase. Mother Lucky finally smiled at the fintech company when it started partnership negotiations with NASDAQ. Yes, NASDAQ. This negotiation has been on for 4 months now, with Ripple pushing to have its XRP amongst the first set of coins to be listed when NASDAQ launches its crypto platform in 2019. So we're not going to be reading into too much here because I don't want to bore you guys, but Ripple has really been in the talks with NASDAQ of getting their cryptocurrency listed on their exchange. And Ripple, I know it may not seem like they're a relatively small company because they're one of the top cryptos, but comparative to NASDAQ, they are a small company. So it's very cool to see that they are working hard to get themselves on this platform, because when the NASDAQ platform does come out in 2019, it is going to be a huge competitor with Coinbase. And we all know Coinbase is very no on listing Ripple. I'm sure all you Ripple enthusiasts already know that. And NASDAQ seems like they are very open to listing XRP. So it's no confirmed guarantee yet, but it's definitely something to keep in mind that Ripple has a very heavy potential of being listed on the NASDAQ platform as one of the first cryptocurrencies. Now, the NASDAQ platform will operate very similar to the Coinbase platform, where you can buy and sell with your debit credit card and transfer in and out of your bank account, stuff like that. So next up, we have Basic Attention Token. I have not seen anyone talking about this, maybe because it is a relatively new article. In a recent interview in a podcast, Brendan Eich, the man who created Brave Browser and also the Basic Attention Token, has hinted that the platform may just have partnered with a top content publishing portal. This new partner, as per H, is considering the adoption of BAT for payments and rewards. The new partnership is to be bringing the startup at least 80 million unique users per month. Wow. So again, all skeptical. The creator of BAT and the Brave Browser was on this podcast. He talked about how they are in the works of this new partnership with at least 80 million new users each month. So I got really interested in this, and I did a little bit of digging and try to figure out maybe what platform this is. Now, they say it's a top content publishing portal, so it could be some sort of like news portal, something like that, or it could also be some sort of social media platform. And a social media platform would make the most sense to me, especially if you want like sort of BAT rewards and stuff like that and utilization. So I looked up the social media networks with their monthly active users, the top ones, and this is what I got. I got this website. I cannot pronounce this, but it's ok.ru. It's some sort of, it's kind of like a Twitter / Instagram, probably more like an Instagram. And that's the first one I found, and they have 71 million active users. Or it could be VK, which is also another Instagram looking platform, very similar to Instagram actually. So it could be this one as well. I know, guys, they're not the most well known. I've never heard of them, but it is a lot of users to be jumping on to BAT. And then right above that, at 106 million, we have LinkedIn. Now, if it is with LinkedIn, that is massive, and I could definitely see that being a possibility. I mean, LinkedIn in general has definitely spiked as a platform due to cryptocurrencies and blockchain tech. A lot of new investors and big shots have been putting themselves on that platform, linking up with other investors, stuff like that. Me personally, I have my own LinkedIn. I've I've met over 500 investors on that platform. It's a great way to really interact on a more personal level with users. So LinkedIn could definitely be a possibility. Now, of course, this is all speculation, but I mean, the creator of BAT would not say that unless he was very confident that it was going to be happening. Now let's see how the price is doing for BAT. Of course they're down 8.4%, 8.5%. Now this is mainly due to their Coinbase listing, little pump and dump. If we look at the chart down here, you could see we had this beautiful pump all the way up to the Coinbase listing, and now it's just simply tapering off. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, BAT is a cryptocurrency I am going to be adding into my portfolio. I did just recently pick up a very small portion, but I am going to accumulate more in general because of this Coinbase listing, as well as this sort of partnership that just recently was announced. Now, again, we don't know who it is, but 80 million unique users. I mean, come on, guys, that says it for itself. And the Brave browser in general has really been exploding with 4.4 million active users monthly. That is absolutely awesome. So next up and lastly, I just want to briefly talk about this whole Ether Delta charges from the SEC. So the SEC, if you guys didn't know, I'm sure you already heard about it. Every YouTuber has been talking about it. They pretty much reached out to the owner of Ether Delta and fined him for having an unregistered exchange. And this is really scaring a lot of people that decentralized exchanges are going to be no more, and I could definitely see how that's so. But keep in mind, the main reason why Ether Delta was charged with these fines is because they did not have any sort of KYC process or anything like that to really get a good understanding of who the investors are. So I think it sucks that the SEC is in everyone's nose. You know, they're always trying to control the U.S. government. I think is completely ridiculous. It's a joke in my opinion how they're so manipulative and controlling. I get it. They're trying to protect investors, but they're also just trying to get their cut out of it. So that's where we currently stand. Ether Delta has been charged with, I believe, $300,000 in fines. Now the exchange was not shut down or anything like that, but they are going to have to initiate some sort of process where there's a KYC process, and this is really going to be sort of the demise of decentralized exchanges. And it is unfortunate because decentralized exchanges I sort of just started using, and they're really nice. I mean, you link in your MetaMask wallet and you could trade right there. You're done, good to go. No personal information traded, no account created, anything like that. But this might be the end for decentralized exchanges in the future when it comes to having none of your personal information. So that is all the news I have for you guys. Not too much going on. I mean, the market is doing what it's doing. We're going up, we're going down. But again, I am very, very bullish for these next 2 months. I am continuing to accumulate. Cryptocurrencies I am picking up right now are going to be Basic Attention Token, Nano, and Stellar Lumens. I'll talk about this in a future video, but Stellar Lumens, I'm very confident they will be the next cryptocurrency listed on Coinbase, and a couple other big reasons going on with Stellar. So I will talk about that in a later video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next.